How to make your business successful in 10 easy ways. Starting a business can be tough, but making it successful is even tougher. Here are 10 easy ways to make your business thrive. Number 1. Identify your target market. Know who your customers are and what they need so you can tailor your products or services to meet their demands. Number 2. Provide excellent customer service. Happy customers are more likely to come back and recommend your business to others. Number 3. Keep your finances in order. Regularly review your financial statements to ensure that your business is profitable and sustainable. Number 4. Develop a strong marketing plan. Utilize social media, email campaigns, and other marketing tools to reach your target audience. Number 5. Build a strong team. Hire people who are passionate about your business and share your vision for success. Number 6. Continuously learn and improve. Attend workshops, conferences, and other events to stay up to date on industry trends and best practices. Number 7. Network with other business owners. Build relationships with others in your industry to gain insights and share knowledge. Number 8. Set measurable goals. Regularly evaluate your progress and adjust your strategies to achieve your goals. Number 9. Innovate and adapt. Keep up with changing market trends and consumer preferences by regularly introducing new products or services.
10. Celebrate successes. Take time to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, both big and small. By following these 10 easy steps, you can make your business successful and achieve your goals. Good luck! Thank you for watching this video. For more, please subscribe our YouTube channel.